Ready to supercharge your podcast's growth? Let's seamlessly move from Anchor to Buzzsprout. First up, log into your Anchor account. Once logged in, navigate to your podcast settings or dashboard. Look for the option to export podcast or something similar. Anchor usually provides an RSS feed download. In this section, click that option. This will allow you to save your RSS feed link. Keep this link handy. You will need this for the next step. Now, head over to Buzzsprout and create an account. If you don't have one already, it's free to get started. Once you're logged into your Buzzsprout account, locate the Import Podcast or Migrate from Other Host section, usually found in your profile settings. When prompted, paste your Anchor RSS feed link that you previously saved. Buzzsprout will then start importing your podcast episodes. Buzzsprout will automatically begin importing your existing episodes. This process might take some time, depending on the number of episodes you have. Be patient. While your episodes are importing, start exploring Buzzsprout's advanced features. This includes detailed analytics, episode promotion tools, and options for advanced scheduling. After the importing is complete, double-check all your episodes to ensure they've transferred correctly. Buzzsprout will handle the RSS feed redirection, meaning your listeners can keep enjoying your podcast without interruption once it's fully set up. And that's it. You've successfully moved your podcast to Buzzsprout. Hope this helps grow your audience.